An exponential population of the world began in 1950. There were about 2.6 billion Earthlings, and on November 15, 2023, the 8 billion mark was crossed. The creation of material world began 3.3 million years ago with making a stone knife by process of separation. However, since 1950, the creation of artifacts using classical processes has become unsustainable only with classical equipment and employment of many workers. For material needs, primary transmission robots have been introduced. Digital solutions have increasingly begun to be used for information activities. The basic production process have remained essentially the same. In doing so, two types of equipment should be distinguished. The central element of any production line is a tool, example for extruding plastic pipes or stamping metal parts. Other elements of basic equipment, example wood drill or injection machine, are universal elements. In 2011, at the exhibition in Hanover, Germany, the concept of Industry 4.0 was introduced. The criterion of what kind of robot is in use. For material transfer operation and production processes, fences robots were used. Around 2020, collaborative robots were introduced into use. In the article based on which this text was written, a new term is introduced, that Industry 6.0, to which is added the information robot, an infobot. An infobot can be a special element of production line or a part of material robot. The details are explained on example of thermoplastic injection molding.